In mathematics, when I have a number inside brackets and a number outside the brackets, the operation of multiplication is understood to be between the two numbers. So what I'll have here is 3 multiplied by 5, and the answer would be 15. I can also have 3 in brackets and 5 in brackets, and that will be 3 multiplied by 5, and the answer would be 15. So when I'm asked to expand 3 open brackets 5x take away 2 close brackets, I understand that this means 3 multiplied by 5x take away 2. So the first thing I'll do is multiply 3 by the 5x, and I'll get 15x. And then I'll multiply 3 by the negative 2, and I'll get negative 6. So in question 2, I'm asked to expand 2m squared times n to the power 3 multiplied by 3m to the power 5 plus 5n. So first I'll multiply the 2m squared n cubed by the 3m to the power 5, and I'll multiply the numbers first and get 2 by 3 is 6. Then I'll multiply the m squared by the m to the power 5. They have the same base, so I'll add the powers. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So I get m to the power 7. And since there's no n here, I'll just get back the n to the power 3. Then I'll multiply the 2m squared n cubed by 5n. So I'll multiply 2 by the 5 and get 10. Now there's no m on this term, so I'll get back the m squared. And n to the power 3 by n to the power 1, I'll add the powers and get n to the power 4. In number 3, I'm asked to expand and simplify 3 multiplied by x plus 2 take away 4 multiplied by x take away 5. So what I'll do, I'll multiply 3 by the x and get 3x. Then I'll multiply 3 by positive 2 and get positive 6. Then I'll multiply negative 4 by x and get negative 4x. And I'll multiply negative 4 by negative 5 and get positive 20. Now I'll identify my like terms and bring them together. So now I'll have 3x take away 4x, which is negative 1x, and 6 plus 20, which is positive 26. And that's your answer. What you could do here is recognize that negative 1x is the same as negative x, and write your answer as negative x plus 26. Now what we have here in question 4 is to expand and simplify x take away 3 multiplied by 2x plus 4. So I'll work this in two ways. What I'll do, I'll use the distributive law and rewrite this question as x multiplied by 2x plus 4 and negative 3 multiplied by 2x plus 4. So I got the x from here and the negative 3 came from here. So what I'll have is x times 2x, which will give me 2x squared, and x times positive 4 will give me positive 4x. Then I'll have negative 3 times 2x, and that will give me negative 6x. And negative 3 times positive 4 will give me negative 12. So I can clearly see that the 4x and the negative 6x are my like terms. So these are the only two terms that I'll be able to simplify. So I'll write back the 2x squared, and 4x take away 6x is negative 2x, and write back the negative 12, and that's your answer. So now I'm going to look at another way to expand this expression. So I'll multiply x by 2x and get 2x squared, and I'll multiply the x by the positive 4 and get positive 4x. Then I'll multiply negative 3 by 2x and get negative 6x. And I'll multiply negative 3 by positive 4 and get negative 12. So again, we can see that the 4x and the negative 6x are our like terms. So we say 4 take away 6 and get negative 2. So we get 2x squared, negative 2x, take away 12.